In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Angular Material Navigation in Angular 6. The installation of Angular Material has become very easy in Angular 6. Especially, it can be installed by ng-add command, and setting of material icon and so on is done automatically. At first, we are going to make a project for testing Angular Material Navigation. Type ng-new responsive navigation. Responsive navigation is a project name. Any project name will do. This process will take a time. Then change into the project directory. Next type code dot for starting Visual Studio Code. In your VS Code, open a command line window by typing Ctrl and back apostrophe key. At first, we're going to check this project. Type ngs-o for starting a local server and open localhost 4200 in your browser. You will find the default page of Angular 6. OK. Back in the VS Code, type Ctrl-C and Y return to stop the server. Next, we are going to install Angular Material. Type ng-add Angular/material at 6.2.1. The reason for specifying the version is because at the present time, June the 10th, a problem is found in the latest version. Since it seems that this problem will be fixed at the later date, so first type ng-add Angular/material. If you have an error, type ng-add Angular/material at 6.2.1. Please try it. Next, we are going to install navigation by using schematic. In your browser, open schematics guide page. Its URL is material.angular.io/guide/schematics. You will find navigation schematic section. Copy the line. Back in the VS Code, paste it in the command line window. Then add your own tag name. Here I named it ResNav. This process will make a new folder like ResNav. Next, we are going to check this ResNav. Open app.component.html file. Delete all the default HTMLs. Then add ResNav tag. Save this file. Then type ngs-o in the command line window. In a browser, you will find a navigation with a side nav. However, this page does not have the function to close the side nav. This may be a bug. We are going to fix this bug first. Back in the VS Code, type Ctrl-C and Y return to stop the server. Open resnav.component.html file in resnav directory. Modify the spell of the toggle method. Save this file. Restart the local server. Back in the browser, try to click menu in the side nav. OK. Back in the VS Code, we are going to add some icons and change the colors. Modify matte list items. We are going to add Cloud Link. Save this file. Back in the browser, you will find the blue cloud icon. We are going to modify the other links with the same procedure. Next, we are going to change the icon of toolbar. Copy the toggle button lines and paste it to the next line. Change the condition of *if. we are going to select Apps icon. Next, we are going to change the menu text to menu icon. Save this file. Back in the browser, you can find the menu icon in the side nav. OK. Next, we are going to add 3 pages: Crowd page, Movie page, and Member page. Type NG-G-C Crowd. Type NG-G-C Movie. Type NG-G-C Member. Next, we are going to make app routing.module.ts file in the application root. We need to modify this file. Since this source is a little long, I'm going to paste the file contents prepared in advance. Next, open app.module.ts file. Import app routing.module. Finally, we are going to set router outlet in RESTNav component.html file. Add router outlet above match side nav content. Save this file. Back in the browser, try to click buttons in the side nav. You will find each page in the main area. OK. We are going to check this responsiveness. And we are going to check it in the web browser and the mobile browser. Alright, thank you for watching.